Hello, and happy Halloween. My name is David Walla-Widnick with BC Liqueur. I want to show you how to make a delicious, easy cocktail for your next Halloween party. It's called the Swamp Water Punch. Let me show you just how easy this is. Well, I should say, normally I'd start mixing with the alcohol components, but I'm going to start with the non-alcoholic first, and you'll soon know why. Let's start off by taking some freshly squeezed orange juice, 10 ounces, 300 mils. I'm going to pour that right into our vessel. So now that that's done, ginger beer. Pick your favorite brand, same amount, 300 mils, 10 ounces. And lychee nectar. You know those cans of lychee? This is the nectar inside. And that gives you the lychees, which you can make little eyeballs for garnish later by taking a blueberry and stuffing it right inside. Again, 10 ounces, 300 mils, just like that. Now, there's some sweetness to these components, so let's balance that out by taking a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this one, 2.5 ounces, which is 75 mils. Now, it's time to mix up the alcohol ingredients. Star of the show, Bombay Sapphire. A great blend of 10 different botanicals in this very well-balanced gin. And this one's going to be 450 mils. Now, it may seem like a lot as I'm pouring it into this vessel, but this is to be shared amongst you and all of your friends. There we go, 450 mils, like that, which is 15 ounces. And the blue Curacao. The blue Curacao is 2.5 ounces, just like that. You see how we're doing the alcohol later is because this color and that color are going to make this swamp water green. Let's take a look and watch this magic happen. Give that a little stir. Wow, that looks beautiful already. And watch this color transformation. Now that looks like a delicious swamp water punch. Now let's elevate it by taking in some of these beautiful lychee eyeballs and tucking those right in. Also, we can do the same with our glassware. Let's take a couple of these lychee eyeballs and place them right down to the bottom of the glass. Put a little bit of ice right on top. There we go. And let's place the lid back on and dispense ourselves a cocktail. And as simple as that. You saw the whole process. So easy and delicious. Now you've got a great cocktail for your next Halloween party. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cocktails and more content at the BC Liquor YouTube channel. I'm David, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.